What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your boy KOBK. KOBK stands for Knocked Out by Knowledge. You guys already know we're going to do what we do every single time on this channel. And if this is your very first time tuning in, what we do is I'm going to show you guys how you can literally make your monthly salary in a matter of seconds. I've created a couple strategies, and today, one of the strategies we will be going over is called the Reckoning. The Reckoning is a super fast trading style on the platform Pocket Options, but binary options. Pocket Options is the platform we'll be on. And we're going to dive into the world of taking 10-second trades. Now, this is normally not common. And the reason this is not coming because most individuals take trades on this platform anywhere ranging from 2 to 5 minutes in between there. But with this strategy, we're able to identify major trends, major entries before it happens and catch the wave. Now, listen, guys, we don't win every single trade. No one wins every single trade, but we win way more than we lose. I believe this strategy is now sitting at around 85% accurate. And then that's when you identify everything and everything else is lining up and you execute the trade. Now, what kills these trades sometimes if it's hesitation. You could be hesitant on a trade and it could be an outstanding setup, but if you're hesitant on entering that trade, you will lose that trade. So that's why we have the individuals on this platform. And I do have some scholars that are on here right now that are utilizing their demo account. I highly advise you to use your demo account first. And if you don't have a link or if you've never created an account on the platform Pocket Options, I'll go ahead and put a link below. And within that link, it's going to give you a bonus. And what that bonus does is whenever you're ready to go live, it's going to give you a 50% bonus on your account. Now, I'm not pushing you to go live right away. My scholars on this call, prior to them even going live, now they can do whatever they want, but they're utilizing my strategy. And what I want them to do and what they do now is they'll take a written test, and it's not long, but the test is I'm going to make sure that you understand the terminology within the market and also with inside the strategy. The next thing that they do, they're going to do a one-on-one with me. And what that one-on-one does is it shows me that they display the skill to actually look in the market and identify potential entries, identify good setups, identify trades they may want to stay away from. And then on top of that, since we don't win every trade, if we take a lesson on a trade, if we lose a trade, why did we lose that trade? One of the best experience you can get, guys, from trading is understanding why you lost a trade. Now, we don't like to call them losses. And the reason we don't like to call them losses is because once we lose a trade, there's a lesson involved. And what we want to identify in that lesson is what happened, what transpired. Did the news hit the market? Yes, news. So news is very important to trading. And I'm going to show you two things that we look at prior to trading. One of them is the currency strength meter. That tells you how strong a certain currency is. And the other one is the Forex factory. And the Forex factory is super powerful because within the Forex factory, it's going to tell you the news that is going on in this economy. And the reason this is so important, because anytime there's someone of power that speaks, it normally impacts the news greatly. So, i.e., when President Trump was in that office, when he spoke, the USD did some pretty fantastic things if you're on the right side of that trade. So what I want to do with you guys real quick, I'm going to go ahead and go to the platform and we're going to look at the Forex Factory first. So just go to Google, type in Forex Factory. I'm going to hit this refresh button right here. And if you guys see me looking over here to the right, I'm in a banging trade right now. So I'm watching this trade to make sure it continues to go the way that I want it to go. And we're all blue over here on this side. But so this right here is the Forex Factory. Go to Google, type it in. You do the same thing for the currency strength meter as well. And you do not have to create an account here, but I advise you to. It's a free account. Go ahead and create it up. And apply your settings to what you see. So when you're trading, your time is going to match your time zone that you're in. Now, if you've never seen this and you don't know how to read this, what this is for my new traders, my beginner traders, and my advanced traders. If you do not know how to trade the red folder, just stay away from it because it can go with you or it can go against you really, really fast, and you don't want to be caught on the wrong side with that. Then that is what's called a high impact news folder. The orange one is your medium impact news, and then your yellow one is your low impact news. Now, your yellow ones, you can trade them. Be cautious with everything that you trade, but your yellow ones, you could trade them and really not have to worry about anything really impacting your trade as much. And then you have your oranges, medium impact. Watch it. Put your parameters in with anything that you trade, and then your red, just stay away. Don't do it. Now, right here, you'll see the date. Today's December 18th, guys. It's Monday. Happy Monday. And then right here, you'll see the time. Now, this time, when you set it up according to your time zone, it will match. But what this is going off right now is the Eastern Standard Time. And the 8:30 news already hit for the Canadian dollar, which is the country currency's code right here. And it was a yellow folder, so it's a low impact news. So until you become more advanced to learn how to look at the actual and the forecast, and as well as the graph, just focus on the colors. Everything that we do here is color coordinated to make it really easy for you to understand what's going on in the market. And then currently 10 o'clock, we see we got USD hitting. We don't have to worry about that now because it's only 850. Now, individuals may ask me, what's the best time to trade? Just scroll down to the bottom. When you scroll down to the bottom over here, you're going to see a little graph. Now, you got the London session and the New York session. When you see those two bars highlighted, when you see them green like that, that's the time that the market is open. Me personally, I love trading now from 3 to 9:30 because that's when the most money is in the market. So currently in London right now, it's 1:50 p.m. And then New York is just now opening up. So more money in the market. Now, this right here is what we like to call the Asian market, the Sydney and the Tokyo. Now, it's less volume, less money. It's grayed out right now, so it's closed. So it moves a little bit slower. And even when this market is open, it still moves slower. So this is really for the type of trader who wants to get into a trade, let that trade go more on the Forex side, not the binary option side, and then come back to it later. For those of you who want to just get into the market, catch a couple pips, catch a bag really, really fast, or lose really, really fast, that is this session right here. But as long as your parameters and your risk management are in place, you can trade safely during this time zone right here. So let's get over to our platform. The platform we're using is Pocket Options. Like I say, I want you guys on your demo account today, please. And the strategy we will be utilizing is called the Reckoning. Now, overview on the platform. Right here is our country currencies right here on the top left. You guys see, it says EURNZD. Now, we can trade cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices, but we're only going to be focusing on the currencies. Now, what's so powerful about this strategy is that it works on OTC stocks. It works across the board. Most individuals, they hear OTC, which stands for over the counter, they get a little nervous because they understand that the broker can manipulate the market. But I'm going to show you a way to limit your risk in the market for when that's happening and when to avoid those trades while you're in the market. Now, I like OTC because it pays out the highest percent. As you guys see, we're paying out 92% here. Over here, I'm just going to go ahead and select a few right now. If I hit that star, guys, they're going to populate up here at the top. That's what I want. And the reason I want that is because now I can cycle through so many of my currencies looking for the ideal setup at a rapid pace. But if that's not what you want to do, you can just click on a few and just look at a few. The other way you can do it, if you notice they're not popping up at the top, that's because you're hitting the country's code, the word itself. If you click on the word, it changes the chart in the background, and now you're directly going to that pair. As you guys see, EUR Chef, EUR Chef. Click on EUR JPY, EUR JPY. Now, if I click on these up here, now you see this change right here. Now it's changing whatever country currency I want to look at. Now, this is time-based trading, guys. So you don't have to worry about it setting a TP, doing a stop loss. So when I enter a trade, say if I was to enter this trade for 10 seconds, let's just do it right now. I'm going to show you guys real quick for those of you that are new what it looks like. So there's my ball. So if I hit this green button, I need that ball to be above where I enter. So let's just highlight. I'm just going to hit it. I'm not doing any analysis. So there's a green line right there. So with that green line, I need that ball to be above my green line within 10 seconds. If it is, I win that trade. If it's not, I'll take a lesson on that trade. And what I lost, I invested $1,000 here on that account, and I lost $1,000 on that trade. Now, why did I lose? I lost. I took a lesson because I didn't do any analysis prior to entering that trade. When you don't do any analysis, you have a 50-50 chance of winning that trade. But today I'm going to show you how to increase the probability of having a higher success rate with a color-based strategy. Now, if I was to hit the red button, I'm saying I need that ball to be below that red line. It's going up, it's going down. We don't know what it's going to do. Let's see. Are we going to win? Are we going to take a lesson? Up, boom, we cleared that trade. We cleared $920 on that trade. So this was paying out 92%. I invested $1,000. I profited $920 on that trade in 10 seconds. Now look, guys, I'm about to show y'all a cheat code to do this over and over and over again. Now, let's go ahead and change this back. We're going to go to Heiken Ash Candles for those of you who are on this call that have this. Heiken Ash Candles, guys. We're going to change our time frame to S15. Enable timer, auto scrolling grid snap. Super important. Now, let's find a setup. Now, for the ones who are just tuning in, this may look crazy, but let me show you how we do this. So like I said, everything's color coordinated, right? So we have this red line. If your candles, AKA price, are underneath that red line, we are looking for a sell. We are looking to push the red button. The next thing we look at, this line right here, this red line must be on top of our green line. If the red is on top, that is telling us that our sellers are in control. And then I'm going to look down here at our candles down here. I must have a red candle here as well. If all of that's lining up, what button am I going to push? I'm going to push the red button, but I need to know when to get in a trade. I know what type of trade I should be taking, but I don't know when. Guys, this strategy is so powerful because not only am I going to show you when to take the trade, but I'm going to show you how long to take the trade, how long to stay in the trade, when to abort mission, meaning when to get out of the trade. This strategy is built with a caution inside the system to let you know when you need to stop trading or when you should pause and let the market breathe, let it do what it's going to do, and then hop back in, continue trading if the opportunity presents itself. Now, here's the signal. When to get in trade. Let's go ahead. Let's just back up real quick. Let's just back up. Ooh, boo, boo, boo. Let's just back up. So what pair is this? Oh, y'all know I don't trade no Chef JPY. Absolutely not. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We got continuations. Then I'm going to show you guys how to do the continuations as well. Boom. Let's just start here. The signal to enter the trade, guys. Hold on. It's right here. There's one. Here's another one. Let's go right here. Let's go right here. Let's just go right here. The signal to enter your trade is when these lines not only intersect, but intersect and cross. So as you can see, that red line crossed that green line going up. So that is letting you know that is the signal to get in your trade. If we're looking at this right here, all these candles are not here, right? But the candles are underneath the red line that's telling me sell. I need a red candle. That's awesome. I need my red line on top, right? I have that. The signal came back here. This was telling me that I need to prepare myself to enter the trade, but it's not ready. Why is it not ready? I got my cross. My next candle is green. I'm not going to enter the trade. I'm red here. I'm red here. I'm underneath. I'm not going to enter the trade. Boom. My next one. I'm underneath my red line. I have my red candle. My red line's on top. I have red here. I enter that trade. Guys, listen. We're in these trades for 10 seconds. Every single one of these candles are 15 seconds. So we're in and out of the market before this trade even closes down. Once that trade closes and you clear, you then enter the next one until you get your caution, until you get your pause, until you get your abort mission. Boom, we're in that trade. Boom, we're in that trade. Boom, we're in that trade. That's $1,000 every single trade. $920 every single trade. I just want you guys to realize this. So then we get what I like to call the triangles. You get a red triangle. What that red triangle signifies, aka a fractal, what this is signifying to you is that the market is ready to turn around. Now, guys, these are not your traditional settings. These are my own personal settings. You're not going to find this online. So to get these settings, just go to my website, www.klbksalute.com, and you can order your settings from the website. This is called the Reckoning. Now, this right here is telling you that the market wants to turn around. It's saying, hey, I've been selling so much that I'm ready to turn around. So that triangle appears, you pause, you wait. Now, everything else still lines up, but we got a triangle. Me personally, I do not want to enter this trade again until this candle comes down and closes below that level and everything else lines up. When that happens, then I hop back in for continuation. But look, guys, I got the warning. I didn't trade. Everything else still lines up. But if I would have took this trade for 10 seconds, I possibly could have lost this one. I would have lost this one. Now I get another fractal, right? I get a triangle saying, hey, the market wants to turn around. Boom, red, red, red. I could have entered this trade, cleared this trade out for 10 seconds, got another fractal. Wait, don't trade. Don't trade. If you start seeing that, you can go to another one, or you can sit here and wait. We come here. Don't trade. I got green here. That's telling me abort mission. That's telling me to pause. I'm going to wait. I got a triangle. That's telling me to pause. I'm going to wait. Because of this, I'm still waiting. Okay, cool. I got red, but I got green. I'm not going to take that trade. Boom. Red, red, red. Take the trade. Take the trade. Every single one. Take it. That's a wave, guys. That's a wave. So now that I've explained the sell, it's the exact same way for the buys. The exact same ways. Let me go find one real quick. Are we setting up? Nope. Let's see here. So this right here is a continuation. Now, I don't like to enter on continuations. I like to enter when I see that cross, but depending on how the market is, you may not get that. And what the continuation is the crosses happen all the way back here, but I'm looking right now. I'm like, okay, I got green. I'm above my red. I got green. These are possible trades that I can take. But the reason I don't like taking these, say we started seeing this right here. Boom, we entered that trade, possibly cleared. We tried to take the next one, but this candle opened below. We got a triangle, right? That's a caution. We only got one trade out of there. So why risk trying to catch one or two trades when you can catch the whole wave? And that's the purpose of this strategy. When you follow it to the T, is to catch the whole wave. Now that we've done that, I have some scholars on here, and I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in, everybody from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, and those of you that are watching this replay on YouTube, thank you all so much. Drop a comment below. Let me know where you're watching it from. Let me know if you want to join this class. We do this Monday through Friday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're going to continue to do this possibly through the holidays. I don't know. I'm going to have to talk to my wife, but we may. Don't tell her I said that. So let's see if we can find a setup. So what I'm looking for right now is I'm looking for a cross. And if you guys see a cross, let me know. Like, this is a potential setup. And the reason this is a potential setup, because these lines right here are so close. Now, are we going to get a buy or are we going to go to sell? See, that's a buy. This is a buy. I have a fractal here. I needed to break that level. I may possibly have our first trade. Let's see. Let's see if we close above. I will enter. I'm going to take this. It pulled back on me, but we're still in profit on that trade. Now I'm going to watch, and I'm going to continue to take every single trade. We're on EUR JPY, guys, and I'm going to take every single trade until I get an abort mission. Boom, taking that one as well. Got a little pullback. If I'm below my entry, I will re-enter for another one right there. Now let's see. Now, if I lose this trade, it's okay. We don't win every single one. So I lost the continuation of that. It didn't cross, guys. This was going off the continuation. This is what I was talking about previously when trying to hop in a trade after the cross has already happened. So I'm going to stop. I'm not even going to look. Oh, wait. We might get it for the sell. We might get it for the sell. We might get it for the sell. I'm waiting. Red, waiting for my cross. We're already underneath. I just got my cross. I will enter this next one possibly. We do have a level right here. Let's see if we break that level. I'm going to wait though, because I wanted to break that level. I wanted to break this level right here. There's a whole level right here. And I like to draw my lines. And the reason I draw my lines when I'm looking at this is for you guys, not for me, because I use the fractals. I'll just glance at it real quick. Go ahead and put that up. So now price is literally stuck in between. And I'm going to add something else on here as well. Hold on one second. Let me add this real quick. I'm adding my money line, guys. My money line is not on right now. We need the money line. All right, price is breaking out. It's breaking above. It's breaking above. It's breaking above. Let's see what we got. So we got another level here. Just appeared. Hey, guys, who's stronger on EUR JPY? Who has the currency strength meter up? EUR JPY, who's stronger?
EUR.
EUR is stronger. Well, how strong is it? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Come on, break that level. I need to break this level.
Much stronger.
Okay, so I'm looking for, yes, that's what I want. I'm looking for the buy. I need this price to close above this level before I enter this trade. And then I'm looking to take it to this level. Then I want it to continue to the upside there. But I got to be patient right now. I mean, we got some resistance right here. It's trying to make up this huge drop. Y'all see this drop? It wants to slowly come back up and eat all of that back up to the upside. And today is Monday, guys. For those of you who haven't traded before, the best days to trade are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Mondays are reckless because we're coming off the weekend. Let's go. Let's go. Keep riding that wave. You keep doing what you do. Right. Might go to another pair. Might go to another pair. We'll come back to EUR JPY. We'll let her make her move. Let her do what she's going to do. And then we'll come back. Oh, look at the continuations. Should we do it? Continuations? Should we do it? Looking at Chef JP. Oh, nope. Never mind. Reason I didn't take this trade because that price came well within inside this candle. And then it dropped below our triangle here, telling me that it wanted to reverse. So that's why I didn't hop in that trade. But that looked at real good for continuations, kind of like this. But I need this candle right here to close above this candle if I'm going to get in this trade like it's doing right now. I don't know how many we can get out of this because this is not your idea setup. So I'm going to see how many I can take out of this right here. Come on. I'll take another. No, I won't. I wanted another entry at 10. I'll re-enter again at 1, guys. I like to re-enter at 1. The reason I re-enter at 1 is so I can get that jump like you just seen right there. All right, let's see how many of these we can get. All right, we got a pullback. Okay, pullback. Took a lesson. Am I going to continue? Nothing's telling me to get out yet. That's a lower candle. There's my caution. Red here, red here. I'm not going to enter that trade. Let it come down, let it breathe. We're selling here. We got caution here not to get in that trade. Continuation. I shouldn't have taken that trade. The reason I shouldn't have taken this trade is because this candle right here did not close above this candle. It did not create this stair step, letting me know that it wanted to continue going up. Once again, I entered off a continuation, and now you guys see a triangle. Now she's starting to come down. Let's see what we got. What we got? Nope. Going to the money. This is short-term reversal. What we got here? Oh, let's go. What we got? Give me the drop. Break. So what I'm doing now, what I see here is I need price before I enter this trade to close below that level. And I needed to close below this level as well for me to get into this trade. If it does not, I'm not going to enter that trade yet because those are levels of support, meaning those are like brick walls. When price comes down to that level, it wants to turn around. So I need more money, more capital to come into the market to really turn it around. And now you guys see that we have a triangle right here as well, telling me that the market wants to turn around. Well, let's see if we can break this level. That's on Chef JPY. Cat Chef, what you got? Nope, you're not ready. Not ready. I need you to close below this level. If it closes below this level, I'll start looking for a sell. Red here. Yep. There we go. There we go. I'll look to enter this next one to take it down to these next two levels down here. I'm going to take this one. Come on. Now, this is off a continuation. Oh, my gosh. Look at that pullback. AUD, NZD. I'll watch this next one. I'm going to take this one too because nothing told me to get out. There's my caution. This is my caution telling me the market wants to turn around. It wants to buy. That's another lesson. We're creating higher lows right here. Too many spikes, too many wicks right here, too many wicks. Now we're fighting in this zone. There's a triangle right here, and there's a triangle. All right, so we may be turning into a buy. Let's go. What do you want to do? What you want to do? At 8:15, at 9:15. All right, the 3 minutes to 9:15. Market's gonna start moving. There we go. Come on. Come on. We're almost there. Come on. Play my music real quick. It's almost there. Almost there. Almost there. There we go. There we go. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How many can we get? Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's one. How many can we get? How many can we get? Boom. Let's go. Pull back. It's good. It's good. Let's go. Let's catch the wave. Catch the wave. Catch the wave. That's another one. Come on. How many can we get? How many can we get? Big push. Big push. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yep, 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 yep. That's all it takes. That's all it takes, y'all. That's all it takes. Let's get another one. How many can we get? Boom, let's go. That one's lower. That candle did not close above. It did not, dangerous trade. It did not create a new high. It did not create a new high. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's another one. This next one, I'm still taking it. Nothing's telling me to abort mission, but it's risky. Wait. Nope, I'm done. We just got a triangle. Just got a triangle, y'all.
You get having trouble? Don't panic. Don't be alarmed.
Uh-oh, we breaking. We breaking. I'm entering this next one.
That's right.
Taking this next one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep pushing. Give me a better entry. You didn't? Okay. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. That's another one. Don't tell me good job. Let's go. Taking the next one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get out of here. Get out of here. Let's stop that. That's a clear. I just cleared that one. I'm about to share my screen again, y'all. Hold on. I'm entering this trade. Boom. That's another one. That's another one. Come on. Share, 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 share. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's another one. Let's go. Let's go. About to take another one. Caught a whole wave. Caught a whole wave. Let's go. Yo, who's taking these trades? Who's taking these trades? Who's taking these trades? You taking them?
I'm with you.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just making sure. I'm just making sure. Uh-oh, don't do that to me. Okay, we lost. We took a lesson. I'm still entering this next one. I'm going to enter this next one anyway. Nothing's telling me to abort mission right now. Now, this candle did open lower than the previous one, but I'm okay. I'm okay. Let's see. Let's see. Now I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait now. Market wants to breathe. Let's see. Nothing is telling me to abort mission. This right here is an advanced move. There's a fractal. Yep, yep. There's a fractal. This is an advanced move because I took that trade here, but I took a lesson. So I did not enter. Nothing told me to get out, right? We're green here. We're still above. Look, we're green here. We're green here. Nothing said stop trading, right? But when you start doing this strategy, you start seeing the candles and you see that this candle did not create a higher high. That's telling you, hey, I need to wait. And look, if you would have waited, like I just did, the next candle, you get a red candle, y'all. You got a red candle. That's your caution, right? That's your caution telling you not to trade, right? But we're still green here, but you got a caution here. And then the next candle, you got a red, you got a red, you got a fractal. So now this is telling us to get into the market, right? This is telling us to take the trade, but she's not ready. I'm not going to take the trade. And the reason I'm not going to take the trade is because we need to break that level right there. We need price to close above that level, letting us know that it still wants to go up. Even though price may break the level here, I will not enter until I'm green here. If I am not green here, I am not entering the trade. It's just that simple. I don't care if it's going up like this. I don't care. Me, aka Claude Curry, aka KOBK, is not taking that trade. And look, it pulls back. You could have entered that trade and you would have lost, but you could have won. But what you should do is follow the steps, follow the rules. That's where you will have more successful trades. So right now, we understand and we know at 10, let's go. You take that. We know that the market wants to continue to go up. I missed that entry. I did. Uh-oh. Oh, we cleared. Did we get it? We got our money back. We got our money back. We did not take a lesson. We're going to continue to ride the wave. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I know y'all on y'all live accounts over there. I already know. Y'all better be on y'all demos. Y'all better be on them demo accounts over there. It's a whole wave. This is a whole bag. It's a whole bag. How many have we cleared in a row? Can somebody tell me? Man, somebody count the candles, man. How many? Oh, my goodness. Let's go. It's a whole wave. This is the reckoning strategy right here. It's on sale right now. Price is getting ready to increase back to traditional price. Just letting you guys know. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's another clear. Come on. So now I'm going to be patient. I'm not going to enter this trade. I'm not. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my. Oh, my. Be patient. Be patient. Let me see. How much did she make? Man, she made all. Remember that drop, y'all? She came and made all of that up. All of that. She made it all back up. Yeah, I think we should be done. I think we should be done. Unless price breaks this level, we caught a mad bag. We caught a mad bag this morning. All it takes is to find one setup, guys. One. Wait for that cross. Price was below. We seen it here. Price was below. We waited till it got above that level, waited for the cross, waited for everything to line up, took the trade. We were able to see the warnings with inside the strategy to tell us when to stop trading, and then we didn't catch any of this till right here to finish catching the rest of that little move right there. Like, let's go. Let's go. That's enough. So I'm going to end this call right here. All you guys that are on the call, you scholars, please stay on. We're going to do Q&A. Thank you all for watching this, watching the replay, tuning in. I'll put my link to my free Telegram group down below for you guys to go ahead and join and get in on these lessons as well. And to go get your strategy, to go secure your strategy, go to my website. I'll put it down below. That's www.kobksalute.com. And I've also just implemented a different way for you guys to access those strategies by implementing a different payment system for you guys to make monthly installments on whatever strategy you deem fit that's best for your trading style. Until next time, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Let's get it. Everything is color coordinated. Candles underneath the red line, that's one. Red on top, that's two. Red down here, that is three. One, two, that's three. Those are the three signals to enter the trade to let you know that it's a good trade. But what we look for, our entry point when taking these trades, is our cross right here.